What is good, everybody? What is good? It is Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and I am just relaxing, trying to relax today. We've had all kinds of activity on the porch with the birds and the bees, so we'll see how that plays out. But I'm pretty sure the hummingbirds they'll be all right. They'll be all right. They seem to hold their own out here for sure, for sure. So. I was just sitting on the couch watching some videos and saw that they started coming out. So I'm not sure if they'll be real active or not. We'll just have to sit here and see. I hope they come out and put on a show for you. Let's put out the juju, y'all. Let's put out the vibe. Like, get up here and eat. I did want to say big props to Jessie Joe. I think it's awesome that you're trying something new, and the reason why you tried something new was because of me trying something new. So I think that's really cool. Really, really cool. And yeah, the acrylic pouring it looks so simple. I'm like, yeah, I mean, I'm watching it and I'm like, yeah, that I can do that. I can do that. But yes, I've made plenty of mistakes already, but I'm learning, and that's what's cool about it. My mind is being challenged and doing something different, and it's been good for the soul. So I encourage you guys to try something, even if it's small or whatever. Just try something different. Just break up the monotony. And as I'm sitting here, that flower over there on the right is killing me. That is sad. I don't know what happened to that flower. So I guess once the bees settle down, I'll go out there and tend to my plants. But anyway, I want to send you guys lots of light and positive vibes, and just, yeah, let's sit back and watch the show. Hopefully they will perform. Dance, monkey, dance. You know what time it is. It's time for Sophie to start sundowning, y'all. She's doing really well today, though. She's been calm until right now. So I'm going to get these dogs settled. Look at the bird right in front of the window. Oh, shoot. Let me see if I can do it without scaring him. Oh, he flew away. He flew away. Yeah, I put that feeder. Where is it? I put the feeder on the window, and they're starting to come up to the window now. All right. Let me get out of here and get this kiddo situated. Big, big love, you guys. Peace, BBs. Peace from Skada and Sophie and Piper and Bodie. Peace.